Hi everybody, welcome to today's video. We are going to be swatching the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Armed and Gorgeous eyeshadow palette. I actually haven't used this palette before, just opening it up and looking at it now. These shades are brand new and untouched, so we are going to be digging into this and swatching these shades. Yeah, I guess that's all I need to say. Subscribe if you haven't, like this video if you do, and let's just swatch these shades, shall we? This palette speaks to me. I don't know if it must be the greens or the shades in this palette, but this color story is kind of right up my alley. I really super love it. I love the green and that white. I don't know, if you guys follow my plant page, That Foliage Life, you'll probably see that greens and whites are kind of my aesthetic at the moment. I do love this palette so much. Look at these shades. They swatched beautifully. Some of the matte shades, like the green and the yellow. So that matte green and the matte yellow kind of took a bit of time to build up, but that's okay. I didn't really mind. I think these shades would really pop and show up really well on the skin with a sticky base or just like a proper eyeshadow primer. I don't actually have anything on the skin right now except for some e.l.f. hydrating serum, just for a little bit of smoothness on the skin. So yeah, those are the swatches from the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe Armed and Gorgeous eyeshadow palette. If you can get your hands on it, I would definitely recommend. It's so beautiful. You could create a really beautiful fall look with this palette. I mean, it's kind of coming into fall. Well, not really, we're in the middle of summer here in Australia, but next season is fall and these shades are going to be coming in. So yeah, anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Like it if you did, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!